Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Axial SCX10 II Kit. This is the SCX10 II 2000 Jeep Cherokee. And as always, we're going to take a look at the packaging first. Some of the features shown on the box. Look at the back of the box. More features. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside this package. Alright. First thing we got here are the Axial BF Goodrich tires. Four of them. Jeep Cherokee body. Try to give you a better angle here. Wheels. Looks like parts for the axles and links. Roof rack. And some grill. Bearings, oil, transmission. Bumper, skid plate. Running boards. And you got here, got frame rails, you could see that. Decals. And that's pretty much all that comes in the Axial SCX10 II Kit. Thank you for watching.